Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Highly appreciated po.
Hi, I am a
So, nakaabot na po tayo ng 2 hours live. So, hanggang dito na lang po ang aming live presentation. Maraming salamat po Ate Maylin Villar sa support at pagmamahal. Maraming salamat po.
Am I drawing?
Ate Smiling Face Channel, maraming salamat po. Sir Sharnox, maraming salamat po. Mami Isa and Isaac Vlog, maraming salamat po. Ma'am Buenas Kitchen and Daily Lifestyle, thank you so much. Sir Gorilla, maraming salamat po. Ma'am Tinay's Eat, maraming salamat po. Sis Brando and Branda Vlog, maraming salamat po. Sir Tim Ngani Baya GP Channel, maraming salamat po. Sir Well Quintes, maraming salamat po. Ate Amis Vlog Entertainment, Ate Amelia Villar, maraming salamat po. Ma'am Irene Latse Año Nuevo, thank you so much. Sir Wazim Artist 07 for supporting me always, highly appreciated. Maraming salamat po Sir Estrada Joseph Vlog. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsama sa akin ngayong araw ng Biyernes, March 21, 2025. Time check, it's already 10:24 a.m. dito po sa Pilipinas. Highly appreciated po yung inyong support sa aming mga videos. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. So that's all for today's live presentation. Thank you so much po. Support ko po kayo.